Welcome to World Gestures. Today's topic which we are going to talk about is iPhone 6s, 3D Touch, the next generation of multi-touch. iPhone 6s introduces an entirely new way to interact with your phone. For the first time, iPhone senses how much pressure you apply to the display. In addition to familiar multi-touch gestures like tap, swipe and pinch, 3D Touch introduces peek and paw. This brings a new dimension of functionality to the iPhone experience, and when you use 3D Touch, your iPhone responds with subtle taps. So not only will you see what a press can do, you will feel it. Introducing Peek and Paw. Peek and Paw let you preview all kinds of content and even act on it without having to actually open it. For example, with a light press, you can peek at each email in your inbox. Then when you want to open one, press a little deeper to pop into it. Peek at your emails before you open them. 3D Touch helps you get to the email in your inbox more quickly and efficiently. To peek at the message, just press it lightly. Get a look at a website before you actually go there. If someone sends you a link to a website, you can peek at it without leaving the screen you're on. View the photos you have taken while you're still taking new ones. If you're taking photos and want to see the shots you have already taken, you can get a peek simply by pressing lightly on the thumbnail image. Get a peek at a location just by pressing an address. If someone sends you an address, you can peek at it on a map without leaving the screen you're on. Quick Actions, a shortcut to the things you do the most. Quick Actions let you do the things you do most often faster and in a fewer steps. You can start a message to your favorite contacts, or instantly bring up the camera to snap a selfie, or immediately get directions home. Many of these actions can even be done with a single press right from the home screen. Many quick actions work right from the home screen and require only a single press. For example, just press the iPhone icon to quickly call one of your favorite contacts. Let's see what you can do with quick actions. Start shooting videos, selfies and more with just one press. Press the camera icon on the home screen and you can immediately snap a selfie, shoot or a video, or even go straight into a camera mode such as slow-mo. Get a conversation going faster than ever. Simply press messages on the home screen to begin a new message or quickly reach out to one of your favorite contacts. Get where you're going with fewer steps. Just press maps to instantly get directions home, drop a pin on your current location and send it to a friend or search what is nearby. Let's have a look how do we swipe up to get things done. When you peek into content, you can simply swipe up to bring up the menu of some commonly used actions. For example, swipe up in Safari to copy a link, open a page in a new tab or add a site to your reading list. Let's have a glance over here. How can we quickly reach your contacts anywhere you see their photos? Press someone's profile photo in Mail, Messages or anywhere you see in iOS 9 to bring up all the contact info you have for them. Let's see how to take control of your email with a press and a swipe. While you're taking a peek at an email, you can swipe left to delete it or swipe right to mark it as unread. More ways to interact in more places. 3D Touch works throughout iOS 9 to make the things you do every day more natural and intuitive. There are so many ways that simply pressing deeper can make whatever you're doing a better experience. One press turns your keyboard into a trackpad. Press the keyboard within apps such as Notes, Mail and Messages and your keyboard behaves just like a trackpad. You can then use a cursor to easily select and manipulate text with precision. Introducing Live Photos. Bring memories to life with a single touch. A whole new look to a photography. Live photos go beyond snapshots to capture moments with motion and sound. Press a like button to make it come alive. Experience the crack of a smile, the crash of a wave or the wake of a tail. Dynamic wallpapers. With live photos, your favorite moments are now even closer at hand. Set a live photo as a lock screen wallpaper and press to watch it come alive. You can choose any of your live photos or select from the dynamic wallpapers that come with iOS 9. A whole new dimension of technology. Using 3D Touch is simple, but the engineering behind it is incredibly advanced. When you press the display, capacitive sensors instantly measure microscopic changes in the distance between the cover glass and the backlight. iOS uses these measurements to provide fast, accurate and continuous response to finger pressure, which could only happen with deep integration between software and hardware. iPhone 6s also provides you with responsive feedback in the form of subtle taps, letting you know that it's sensing the pressure you're applying. Let's have a look below to iPhone 6s technology, Taptic Engine, capacitive pressure sensors and Retina HD display with 3D touch as well as cover glass. Apps will never feel the same again. 3D touch will let you do more than ever with iOS 9, but it will also deepen the experience of your favorite apps and games from the App Store. Developers will be able to add 3D touch, enable actions to their apps such as pressure, sensitive drawing, pick and pop, quick actions and much more. Thank you for watching. Do appreciate your concern for watching. If this collaboration doesn't sound random, do subscribe for our upcoming next videos. If you're inspired with a collaboration, do like our video. If not quite sure, then dislike the video in accordance to your perception. If this collaboration gives a quick query or ideas, do comment us below. Goodbye.